We're on a 24/7 weather alert in Greeley right now. This is a fairly minor little irrigation ditch that serves farms and businesses along 35th Avenue, but it has drawn a lot of attention. You can see the debris piled up right here. We just saw a front end loader lifting this debris out of the way because, as we pan to the right, it's pooling right here at the stop point. So it's creating a hazard of potentially going over 35th Avenue. So this minor drainage has drawn inspection by 3 different crews just in the last half hour. Weld County has been here, and the city of Greeley has been here twice because they're concerned about water levels. Now, right now in this area, we've got, not mandatory. They are voluntary evacuations, voluntary evacuation phone calls that went out late last night to some 200 homes and businesses in this area in West Greeley. I want to give you a look at the traffic because the river, the Cache la Poudre River, is just up this way, right where the traffic is heading north, and it's just about even with the level of these ditches. That's the concern for the road and bridge crews that have been checking this out. They believe these ditches don't have anywhere else to go but over the road soon. That's why folks have been asked to leave if they can and certainly be ready if this becomes mandatory. Now, the area in question involves 35th Avenue as the boundary to the west, 2nd Street to the south, F Street to the north, and 25th Avenue on the east. On the other side of 35th, we've got some high-flowing water very, very quickly. That also drew a lot of attention from Weld County Road and Bridge because they had instituted and placed a wall there to catch the water as it goes across. So definitely some concern right now. I also had a chance to talk with the Office of Emergency Management in Weld County, and they told me these water levels on the Cache la Poudre right now have not been seen since September, and actually the level right now is even higher than it was then during those devastating floods. So a lot of eyes and a lot of concern in Greeley this morning. Pay attention to 7 News on our mobile app in case these evacuations switch from voluntary to mandatory later, because definitely we're getting the impression that these people here are definitely concerned. Live in Greeley, Tyler Lopez, 7 News Now.